IVF कर लो, हो जाएगा, right? So I understand, and even I have discussed this topic many times with the experts on my own podcast, and I know that there are a lot of advantages for an IVF treatment. लेकिन आपसे मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि what are the disadvantages, things which are not being spoken about when it comes to IVF?
So most importantly, as you rightly said, that IVF is not the answer to just infertility. What we have to really understand is that IVF needs to be strictly indicated. So there are a lot of centers, not just in Bombay, all over India, all over the world also, where they are just doing IVF because they are getting impatient. Patient आ रही है, they have been married for a couple of months, doc we are trying, it's not happening, let's just do IVF. IVF is not that kind of a solution. We have to understand that IVF needs to be done in extremely indicated couples. You can't just randomly do it for a couple who doesn't need it. You have to give a fair chance to that couple. See, what we need to understand is कि जो infertility treatment होता है, that is not equal to IVF. Infertility treatment में आपकी लैप्रोस्कोपी होती है, जहाँ पे if there is a problem, if there is a fibroid, you remove it. If there is a polyp which is disturbing things, you remove that. If there is some kind of a tubal blockage, you can open that tubal blockage by a simple laparoscopic surgery, which has got excellent results, very good success rate, and for all you know, after the surgery, within 2 months, the patient conceives naturally. If she's got a borderline PCOS, if she's got some borderline endometriosis, you don't push her for an IVF, which a lot of people are doing. I feel sad to accept that there are certain people in the fraternity who try to push the patient for IVF just to, kind of haze the process, just to, show that their success rates are very good. And of course, sometimes commercial also. We do have a lot of commercial centers who think that way, ki jaldi patient ko result do and, just, get it going. But that's not the right approach.
Really?
So here, what is really important is you need to approach a doctor who treats you like a human first. Not like a money making machine, or not like a client who's coming in, to give you 1.5-2 lakh rupees money and do IVF. इस तरह से आपको you have to find somebody who can actually treat you humanly and who can give you a fair chance of natural attempts if it's indicated. I am not at all saying that if your AMH is very low, you've got very bad severe endometriosis, fallopian tubes are very badly blocked, the husband's counts are like really low, where natural conception is not possible. Yes, these are the cases where you have to go for IVF. Now, coming to, of course, you're very educated, very well aware of how things are. Yes, IVF is one of the biggest boon which humanity has ever seen.